Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can make Opera your default browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, there are several ways how you can do this. No matter which option you go with, you will need to access the Opera browser on your device. So option number one, let's assume you just downloaded and installed or updated the Opera browser. You may see a notification like this here at the top, in this case here after an update or after the installation. So click into this button and that is going to make Opera your default browser, so that whenever you, open a file on your device that needs access to an internet browser, your device will automatically choose Opera browser for that action. Option number two, you click into that Opera icon in the top left and choose Set Opera as default browser. And option number three, here in the same menu, you click into Settings, or use the shortcut Alt-P. And inside your browser settings, navigate to default browser on the left hand side and click into this button to make Opera your default browser. Option number four, guys, for example, if you click into this button, you may get redirected to your, let me navigate to it, to your default web browser here in your device settings. So make sure that you navigate to that depending on if you're using Windows 10 or 11 or any other operating system. And here where it says default web browser, click into it and select the one you would like to go with. In this case here, open Opera GX, Opera Air, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. That's option number four. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.